A warm welcome to the engine shed here at the Vale of Rheidol in Aberystwyth. I'm delighted to relaunch our digital content on our various social media platforms and YouTube, and we're going to be covering an awful lot going forward, and my colleague Ioan, who's going to be the face of a lot of this video, will tell you what's coming up.
Well, we've got lots of new content to bring to you all out there. We're hoping not only to bring things such as videos on the history of the railway, various historic aspects of the railway, but to also give you regular updates on what's going on in our workshop, what's been going on out on the track, and also future projects and things like that. We've got all these engines behind me here, part of the well-known Collection X, so we can bring you content on that, history of a lot of the carriages, wagons and engines we have in here as well. So it's a very exciting time, plenty to bring you, and two railways to cover, Vale of Rheidol and the Brecon Mountain Railway as well.
Fantastic. Approximately how many engines do you think we're going to be covering?
Well, there's a good 40 plus in Collection X, plus whatever is at the other
plus
railway.
There's the running railways, plus there's at least 3 down at the Brecon.
Yeah. So there's
we've got plenty of content coming up. And the only way you're going to keep up to date with that is to like and subscribe both channels. It's probably best to do both. But we're also interested to know what you think you'd like to know about first. So if there's anything you'd like to know about in Collection X or just generally about the history, drop us a comment and we can pick that up and work our curation list from that. Absolutely.
If you like what you see, drop us a comment, let us know what you like, what you'd like to see more of, and I'm sure we'll do our best to provide you with everything that we have here on the Vale of Rheidol and the Brecon.
Watch your space for the first video very soon.